If you are just starting a business and want to buy a PCB production line with low-cost investment amount, how do we choose? Hello, my name is Roxy, engaged in SMT electronics industry has been 18 years, today and we talk about this topic. We are engaged in the manufacture of electronic products. If you are interested in this industry, you are welcome to subscribe to follow us. If you want to buy a PCB production line at a low cost, there are very many choices. For example, buy a machine with a vintage of 2000 or more, such as one from 1997 to 2000 or so, and these machines are absolutely cheap. Will these machines meet your current micro components and BGA ultra fine pitch requirements? I have met many friends who want to buy very cheap pick and place machines, and ignoring other issues. Firstly, the first question, ask the price first. How much is this machine? Not asking if the machine can meet their requirements, for example PCB lengths and widths, minimum chip sizes that can be assembled and chip spacing. How many capacity feeders can be installed on this machine? These technical parameters are never asked. I'm wondering the question, aren't they worried about buying one of these machines without thinking about whether or not the machine will solve their problem? Every time a friend comes over and wants to know about the machine, the first thing they say is that they are asking for a quote. I hate it when they don't genuinely want to buy a machine. If you are buying an ordinary bottle of water, a loaf of bread or a pound of fruit, the first thing you can do is ask for the price. But you are now buying a large machine, a machine that will help you make money. We first need to understand what this machine can do and what are those things that this machine cannot fulfill. I've often communicated to friends before that you buying a machine is the same principle as you yourself traveling from country A to country B. Different machines are like different modes of transport. Very old machines are like bicycles and the latest high-performance machines are like customized aeroplanes. Prices vary from machine to machine and you want a cheap machine, the experience is definitely bad, very bad. You can't buy the best machine for the lowest price. Just like you can't buy a car for the price of a regular bike. I don't know why many people don't want to share their self-invested budgets. In the Chinese market, prices are very transparent. I don't know why many people don't want to share their self-invested budgets. In the Chinese market, prices are very transparent. If you are worried about buying overpriced and low-quality products, you can compare several merchants and you will naturally understand. In China's market, when buying goods, the main thing to look at is how the merchant's character is. Because a merchant can't sell goods without making a profit. There is definitely something wrong with selling items at below cost, you just don't know what it is. If you tell me your investment budget and the products you want to manufacture, we will give you different programming options, and tell you the advantages and disadvantages of these programs. You can also compare different merchant suggestions more often and you analyze and compare them based on the merchant's suggestions and with your own needs. If your video has a different point of view, feel free to leave a comment. We also hope you subscribe to follow us. If you want to know more about electronics, please feel free to contact us. info@jhighmiz.com